Hello and welcome to the lecture in Argo CD Declarative GitHub CD for Kubernetes course by techlatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like course overview, objectives, then what is Argo CD, key features of Argo CD, benefits of Argo CD. Then in this lecture we'll talk about setup installation of Argo CD on GCP. Basically this is the step-by-step process and setup process. Okay, so what do you have to do next? Click or go on techlatest.net website, then click on product and support page. After clicking on product and support page, in DevOps category, you can find about the uh, Kubernetes Argo CD product, then click on Argo CD product. So in this lecture, we'll focus on GCP deployment guide. So open the GCP deployment guide and open this link. Basically, here you can see the setup installation of Argo CD on GCP. So this section describes how to provision and connect to effortless deployment of Kubernetes with Argo CD VM on GCP. Okay, so this is the first step. Open this VM. So open this link in new tab, and here you can see that on GCP Marketplace, you can see the effortless deployment on Kubernetes with Argo CD VM. Now next, what we have to do, click on here. You can also see the overview, key benefits, key features, use cases, and other things. So you can also check this. Then click on Get Started button. After click on Get Started button, accept these terms and agreements. Then click on Agree. Okay, so after clicking on Agree, uh, now click on Deploy. So you can see that it will start deploying, and here you can see the checking the API information. Now I can select the deployment name and other things. You can also choose the existing account or new account section. Then here you can see the series and other things. And now let's check the machine type on website also. So the machine type here is wait for 1 minute. Okay, so the machine type is N1 standard 4 CPUs, 2 core, 15 GB memory, and same here we have selected this one. Now next what we have to do, click on deploy. So here you can see the message deploying virtual machine product, and it will start deploying now. And you can also see the step 3 by step 3 deploying. This may take a few minutes. And also here you can see Argo CD1 effortless deployments on Kubernetes with Argo CD. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So now you can see that your VM is successfully deployed. Now click on compute engine. So it will open your overview of the VM. Okay. So you can see the VM name is Argo CD1 VM. So click on Argo CD1 VM instance page, and here you can see the all the things like the basic option, the your status is running or not. Then you can see the creation time and other things, machine type. All the stuff here on VM instance space. Basically, it will open an overview of the your VM. Now, next, what we have to do, click on SSH button and click on open and select the open in browser window option. Okay, so here you can see that SSH in browser and transferring SSH keys to the VM. It will also take 1 or 2 minutes to start your terminal, or you can say anything. I can see that your VM is started now. Now you have to run this command sudo password ubuntu for set up the password. Now click enter, give new password, and again retype new password. And here you can see the message your password is updated successfully. Now let's see what is our next step. Okay, so we have completed this step. We have set up the password. Now the password for the Ubuntu user set, you can connect to a VM desktop environment from any local Windows machine using RDP or Linux machine using Ramina. To connect using RDP via Windows machine, first note the external IP of the VM from the VM details page as highlighted below. Okay, so go on your VM and here you can see the public IP address and other things, external IP address. Copy this IP address. Now open the remote desktop option and paste this IP address, then click on connect button and accept these terms, which is yes, okay. And then wait for 1 or 2 minutes. And here you can see that your remote desktop connection is started. Now give username as Ubuntu and give a password which you have set up in 6 step. Okay, and click on OK. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes to start your VM remote desktop connection, you can say. And then from a local Windows machine, we have completed the step. This will connect to our VM desktop environment. Now you're connected to out of the box effortless deployment and Kubernetes Argo CD VM. And to connect using RDP via Linux machine. So I am on a Windows OS. Okay, so if you are a Linux user, so use Ramina for this connection. So you can also download Ramina directly from here. Here is a direct link of Ramina website. You can download it from there. And same here, you can do same steps for Ramina. You can also check it out on our website. Okay, so next what we have to do to access the Argo CD web interface, copy the public IP address of the VM from the VM overview page and enter in the browser HTTP public IP. Make sure to HTTP in the URL. Browser will show the security warnings, accept the warnings and continue login page. Okay, so copy the IP address, go on browser, type HTTP and paste the IP address. Okay, and yes, I think it will take some time. Okay, so let's see that our remote desktop or our VM desktop environment is started or not. Yeah, you can see that our environment is also started. You can see a lot of things here like Firefox browser, virtual Visual Studio Code, home, terminal emulator, file system, and other things. Okay, so you can also explore this. Now we have accessed the our UI on browser. Okay, so uh, here you can see that your connection is not private and you can accept these warnings and other things. Now proceed to this IP. Okay, so after proceeding this to this IP, you can see that the user interface of the Argo CD is here. And now you can work with this. Now you can also see that let's get stuff deployed. Open the putty, then paste this command. And next, what we have to do, run this command. So here you can see some messages. Basically, cubicle ends Argo CD guest secret, Argo CD admin secret. So this is something like this. Okay. And next, what we have to do, wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. On the admin page, enter admin as username and password we retrieve from the above command. So basically, this is your password. Okay, and next what we have to do, go on browser, give add username as admin and the password you have retrieved here. So copy this password and next copy this password and paste here. Okay, then click on sign in. So you can see that you can view the whole UI of the Argo CD and you can create new apps, sync apps, refresh apps, anything. So then click on setting. You can check all the stuff here like repositories and other things. If you click on user info, so you can see all the things and other stuff here. So next you can view your things. Then if you want to update account password, okay, so what we have to do, click on user info and you can update password from here. You can give current password, you can give new password, you can confirm your new password. So you can change the password from here. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this course, this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter and Medium. On Medium we will post a lot of stuff about blogs, latest technologies and other things, or also courses blog. Okay, so yep, bye bye. We will meet in next lecture.